My dear students, today I am going to teach you properties of Hcf and Lcm. The first property of Hcf is the Hcf of its given number is always less than the numbers. My dear students, if you take three number and find out the Hcf of these numbers, you will see the Hcf of these number is less than all the given numbers. Example 12, 15, 21. Prime factors, because you know the Hcf is to be find out with the help of the prime factors. Prime factor of 12, 3 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 15, 3 into 5, and 21, 3 into 7. These are the prime factors of these three numbers. And 3 is the common factor in all these numbers. You have seen with circle, 3 is the common number or a common factor between all the three numbers. And therefore, the HCF is equal to 3 because common factor is HCF, highest common factor. This is the highest common factor. So therefore HCF is 3 and 3 is less than all these numbers. You can see 3 is less than 12, 3 is less than 15 and 21. Second property, LCM of its given number is always greater than the numbers or greater than the given numbers. Example, we have same example. The numbers are 12, 15 and 21. Prime factors of these are same. These are the prime factors. And we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. LCM is equal to, in LCM, we have to take the common factor ones. 3, we have to take ones and other all factors. What are others? Take 2 and this 2 and this 5 and this 7. Now multiply these. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12, 5 the 60 and 67 the 42. This is the LCM of these three numbers. My dear friends, you see here, this implies that 420 is greater than 12, 15, 21, or 420 is greater than 12, 15, 21. This is the second property of HCF and LCM. Now I am taking third property. Third property is HCF is a factor of LCM. Third property, HCF is a factor of LCM of given same numbers. Here from the above example you see else what was HCF? HCF was 3 from above. First example. And LCM, you have seen, was 42 from above 2. So what is this property? Hcf is a factor of LCM of given same numbers. 3. This implies 3 is a factor of 42 because 3 can divide 42. Here you see 42 divided by 3 is equal to 140. So this proves that 3 is a factor of 42. As proved. Fourth property. My dear students, fourth property is HCF. HCF of a HCF of two co-prime numbers. Two co-prime numbers. HCF of two co-prime number is 1. Dear student, note, if the numbers are co-primes and co-prime numbers are in which there is no common factor except one. Example. 13 and 17. This is the example. These are the two co-prime factors. These are the two co-numbers, co-prime numbers, and they have no common factor. In 13 and 17, there is no common factor. Hence, this implies HCF of 13 and 17 is 1. Because there is no common factor, you cannot find out the prime factor of 13 and you cannot find out the prime factor of 17. So therefore HCF is 1. Fourth property, this was the fourth property. And now I am taking fifth property. Fifth property, LCM. Here I am changing here, LCM of two co-prime, two or more. Here you see, I am changing the statement, LCM of two or more co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers is the multiplication of that numbers. Here example is 13 and 17, same example. You see again, these two numbers have no common factors. So therefore, according to the statement written above, there is no common factor. Hence, LCM is equal to 13 into 17 because LCM of co-prime number is the multiplication of that given numbers, that is equal to 17 3s are 51, 5, 7 1s are 17 1s are 17 plus 5 22. This is the LCM. So my dear students, in fourth property, HCF of two co-prime factor is 1. LCM of two co-prime factor is the multiplication of the given numbers. Now sixth property. Sixth property, LCM and HCF of two given number. Two given numbers, that is A and B, have a relation, between the numbers, and LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF, two given number, that is A and B, have a relation between two numbers, and LCM and HCF. What is the relation? A into B is equal to HCF into LCM. My dear students, if two numbers are given A and B, the HCF, the product of these numbers, will be equal to the product of the HCF and LCM. This is the relation, this is the most important relation, because when two numbers are given and HCF is given, you can find out the LCM. When two numbers are given, LCM is given, you can find out HCF. Again, if HCF and LCM is given, if you find out any of the two number, you can find out with the help of this relation. So I'm taking an example. Example 12 and 18. HCF is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. 18, 3 into 3 into 2. HCF, here you see how will you find out the HCF? This is 12 and this is 18. Now common factor is this, and here also this is also common factor. I am again finding out the HCF with the help of the prime factor factorization. Now 3 is the common factor and 2 is also the common factor, and so HCF is equal to 6. My dear student, LCM is equal to 3 into 2. This is common, take once. This is common, take once. And this 2 and 3. Remaining, these are also taken. 3 into 2, 6. 2 is 12. 12, 3 is 36. This is the LCM. So my dear student, we have to prove this property. HCF is 6 and LCM is 36. Here I am writing here. Two numbers 12 and 18. HCF is 6 and LCM is 36. Because we have to prove whether this relation is right or wrong with the help of an example. I have taken this example. I have taken two numbers 12 and 18. The HCF of these numbers is 6 and LCM of these numbers is 36. Now putting the value of these in the above relation, you can see whether this relation is right or not. Here you 18, 18 to the 36, 3, 18 from the 18 into 3 plus 3, 21. Here you 6, 6, 6 the 36, 3, 6, 3 the 18, 3, 21. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved. So, my dear students, I have mentioned 6 properties of LCM and HCF. And in the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.